Good afternoon everyone, my name is Mike and today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to remove the copyrighted material out of your video. Alright, so what we're going to do is to teach you how to use the assisted trim. This assisted trim is a new feature of YouTube platform where you have the ability to remove the copyrighted materials out of your video. Because if you have copyrighted materials, you're using somebody else's video or somebody else's background music, they can actually claim it and they are the ones who will be receiving the monetization or the revenue out of your video. So today I'm going to show you one of my case because I have one of my one video that has that issue and I am using my other channel right now, Mike TV ETC, and this is the video right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. And once you have that video open, click on Edit here on the bottom. Edit. And then here on the left panel, I want you to please look for monetization. There you go. So monetization, click on it. And there you go. Ineligible. That's the status. Ineligible because I am using copyrighted materials owned by somebody else. So let's go ahead and click on details, view details for us to know what it is. There you go, guys. Not affected, public, ineligible. And this is it, guys. This is the video, and this is the copyrighted material. The one that's marked with the triangle. So this is the one that marked with triangle. Before you cannot see this, like there's no mark at all. But now they have updated this feature and showing you exactly where the copyrighted materials is located. The one right here. So here on the right you have the status, video cannot be monetized, ad revenue paid to the copyright owner. So yeah, you can still see ads on this video. If you watch this, you can actually see ads, but I'm not receiving the monetization here. Here is copyright owner policy, monetized in some territories. Content duration, it's from 0 to 228. So that's half of the video, the length of the video is being covered. This video is only about 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes. And here is where you could actually do the action. Click on the drop down arrow. And you have three options here. First one is to replace the song, mute the song, or file a dispute. Okay, so if you think that you have there has been a mistake, why they monetize or why they claim this background music, wherein you have the rights to use it, then you can actually file dispute, or you could actually just mute it or replace the song. I would prefer replacing the song because if you mute it, it would sound awkward. So we'll go ahead and click replace song, and this would bring us to the YouTube music library. There you go. So we have to look for at least 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes is the one being covered. 2 minutes. Here you can actually see the duration. 2 minutes, 2 to 30 minutes. There you go. And add to video. Add to video, and that's going to replace the copyrighted material on this video. So once you have done that, all you have to do is to click on save here, save, to save the changes. Once you hit save, it would process the changes, and it would take a while actually. So we may not be able to wait on this video because it would take probably couple of hours or so. So that's it, guys. That's all you have to do if you are dinged for copyrighted materials. Alright, if you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below. And thank you so much again for watching. This is again Mike, and I'll see you guys on the next video.